What's up, Skylar over at Wausau Homes? My name is Josh Nelson, Midwest Valley Marketing. We spoke the other day a little bit briefly in regards to, kind of helping you guys out and give you some more information on what you can do differently to start really getting more customers to find you and who you guys are. I know it was a little bit confusing, even for you and maybe even a little bit for me, on the fact that it's kind of complicated with the fact that you kind of have an umbrella company facing over you, but that they want you to control a lot of it as well. So take this information however you'd like necessary. I'd love to chat with you more just to kind of get a better understanding on maybe how we can help somebody like yourself or even somebody else in the future, in regards to a, kind of a franchise sort of company. But nevertheless, we're still going to dive right into it here just like we would any other business. We always like to do these custom videos kind of showing where we can start and help. So first things first, we got the website, right? I have some photos of your location here in New Richmond. I see you guys have, some contact information. That's great. Some good old content right here. Google loves content. People like to be able to read what you guys offer, things like that. We got a contact form here. Super huge. Other than that, it's not a very big website. Like I said, if it was up to me, I'd like to be able to have your own personal website, but I get that that's maybe not how they do things. Nevertheless, we don't have to redo a website just in order for it to work better. Another thing we can do is we can actually do what's called SEO, and I'm going to dive into that in a second, but we're going to kind of figure out how SEO works first. So when people are searching online for something like home builders in Richmond, Wisconsin, first thing that we're going to get is the Google My Business portion, or Google My Business Map Pack, I like to call it. It's called GMB, or Google My Business Profile. All kinds of different names for it, so bear with me on that. But nevertheless, we get three of them right here, right away. So we see Derek Homes, Overing, Creative Homes, and Willow River. Difference between them, I see that this is considered a construction company. I know you're a home builder, so I would classify your Google Business Profile as a home builder as well, if that's what the top dogs are doing. Definitely want to get these reviews boosted up. I don't know where you guys sit exactly on your reviews, but that's a great way to be found faster, is to optimize your Google Business Profile and get this up in these top three spots. Another thing we can do is the organic section, which is that search engine optimization that I was talking to you about. First thing we see here is actually Overing Homes. So as a competitor, we want to figure out what are these guys doing that makes them stand out at the absolute top of the Google search images when people search a keyword like home builders New Richmond. So we're going to go into their website. Like I said, unlike you guys, and similar to most other businesses, they have their own website. I know it's a little complicated for you, so I'm not going to go over that. But one thing we do is we actually take the URL right up here to your website. This is where people find you, right? And we put it into this tool we like to use. This is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs gives us a guideline of what you guys have for your rating, for your URL rating, as well as your domain rating, what you guys have for backlinks, referring domains, and organic keywords, and what you guys are getting for organic traffic, meaning people are just finding you to find you. Right now, it's at, like I said, this isn't 100% accurate. I would assume you're getting a few more than this, but nevertheless, it's just a tool. So again, we're going to compare you to Overing. Same thing. We're going to take their URL, and we're going to bring in the Ahrefs, and we're going to show you what happens once you start to put some SEO into your website and how we can really start to grow online. So once we get these backlinks increased, as well as the organic keywords that are across your website, the organic traffic, people start to find you better. We really go in and we do a lot of research to figure out what is the best backlinks, what's the best keywords, and we really start to boost those into your website. One thing that Overing is lacking on right now is this golden equilibrium, we like to call it, to have the UR and the DR equalized out. We really focus on that, and that's really a great way to optimize your website in the back end of things. But nevertheless, like I said, we go in there and we figure out, I'll show you here quick, that we can go in and we can find every single backlink that Overing Homes has right now connected to their website. And we can go out and get all of the same ones that they have that are worth the time, the power, the energy to go put into your site. And then we go and we get even more. SEO is something you always want to be putting into your website. But that's just how we get found organically. We also want to touch base here quick on the social media. See, this is your guys' social media page. I'm assuming you run this yourself. Maybe you have an intern or an office guy that runs it for you. definitely want to get the reviews up on this as well. You're only a 3.7 star reviewed company. That's tough for a consumer to see. So maybe even asking some friends and some family, say, hey, go ahead and go onto my social media page, leave a review. It can be kind of anonymous, kind of very generalized, but definitely will help you out within the community, and it builds trust seeing a better 5-star, higher than 3.7 star company like yourself. I mean, you're a real good guy. I had a real good chat with you. So it's kind of a bummer to see that you guys are lacking on that. Now, I see you're posting fairly often. That's phenomenal. I wouldn't advise of anything else. Just keep up on that. Definitely one thing we can also do is we can boost ads for you or boost some of your posts. We do social media management, which is controlling those ads and kind of converting more people into actual paying customers instead of just somebody seeing your page. And so you're not getting a lot of interaction right now. You have 432 people liking it, 467 following it, but you're not really getting any likes, which is kind of a bummer to see that people aren't really interacting with your page. And trust me, I know how it goes. As a fairly new guy here in town, people don't interact with us very well, but nevertheless, we stay on top of it. And we're always focusing on posting every single day, trying to get people to interact. It's just the effort that really counts. When people see, hey, I saw Wausau Homes post on Facebook, man. You're looking for a home builder, you should maybe go check them out. Kind of word of mouth ends up going around after you start to do all this digital marketing online. But again, nevertheless, like I said, it was really good chatting with you. You seem like a really awesome dude. Happy to help you out here and give you this custom video. Hope you guys found all the information useful and can put it forth yourself. If not, we'd always be happy to partner up with you and come up with a game plan. Having a solid marketing plan will always increase your guys' growth within a business. So that being said, again, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Hope you liked the video. Have a good one, Skylar.